Holy cow. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We are on a creek that we've been to before. Very tiny creek. Maybe 6 inches in here. There's a few decent ones that we've caught in the past with a buddy of mine, but he's not here, so it's just going to be me. Solo mission, solo outing, man. It's just nice to be out here. It's a cool morning. It's like 74 degrees, and there's a lot of moss, but let's see if we can get into something cool. Yeah, stick around. Whoa! A little Bassmaster on you guys on that one. Sorry, buddy. Come on. Oh, chill out for a sec. Alright guys, we're on the board. Looks like a little cutty. Cute little guy. Finally, even though I somehow managed to foul hook him. Not entirely sure how that happened, but yeah, I'm not thinking there's gonna be much. Too clear, a lot of sun. I mean, I can pretty much see to the bottom, and it doesn't look like anything in there. That's all right. We'll go. There's a few spots up there. Still, I mean, we're still early in the day, so well, I didn't expect to catch anything, so I wasn't recording, but we ended up with another little guy. Not really, I mean, they're about the same size all the way through this whole creek, so they're not huge, but they're still super fun to catch. Thanks, buddy. I really didn't think there was anything in there. It was just dry casting, really, just to dry out the fly. But all right, guys, today this video is not necessarily brought to you by them, but I've decided to do a partnership with them, if you will. And right here, Web Western. If you guys like anything of their stuff, go ahead and use Ricky B10 for a 10% discount. Just FYI, save you a little bit of money and helps the channel out. So until then, you know what to do. So I just switched out the purple haze for a purple haze that's got a little bit of glitter on it. Well, there we go. Just because the other one felt like it was getting so waterlogged that, ouch. It kept sinking no matter what I was putting in it, but little tiny guy. Whoop. Oh wow, he's got like, I don't know if you can see him. But he had this little thing on his back, like a claw, taking something out or a chunk, or I don't know what it was, but it was kind of weird looking. Huh. Man. Oh, there he goes. He came off. We got to get him back in the water. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Oh, it's a catch, right? Touched him. There you go. There we go. That was awesome. Hopefully I got that on camera. I don't know if the angle is good, but took 3 or 4 casts to get to him, but he ran the top of the nose. Woo! Gosh dang. There we go. Good little spunky guy. I don't see another one in there, but you never know. There we go. Hung up in the weeds though. Fuck, he just did. Oh. That's probably the biggest one of the day for sure. Oh. By far the biggest one of the day. By far. Oh my goodness, please tell me I was recording on that one. Yeah, that is sweet. Alright guys, by far the biggest one of the day. Holy cow. Beautiful, beautiful guy. Should try and get like some underwater footage or something of him, huh? Well, guys, I think it's going to do it for this video. I think we're going to end on that that bigger one. Started getting way too tight in there and made it pain in the butt to navigate through the river. So decided to call it. I mean, we got 4 or 5 hours in, so that's excellent. Appreciate you guys again. Anything you guys can do, like, comment, subscribe, all that happy stuff helps me out, especially when you comment. Let me know doing something good, doing something bad, or if you want to see something different, you know, a specific river, let me know. I'll go try it. Anyways, until next time, get out there, make a memory of your own.